You might not believe it, but there actually is water on the surface of the moon. Okay, so we're not talking about rivers or vast oceans or lakes covering the surface, but there is a huge amount of it locked away in ice on the surface. Now, for water ice to exist on the lunar surface, it has to remain cold. The problem there is that the moon has a day, it rotates, so sometimes it's in sunlight, sometimes it's in darkness, but every time the surface is at sunlight, any ice on the surface would melt, the temperatures would skyrocket because there's no atmosphere to protect from the extreme sunlight. The only way that ice can exist is in permanent darkness, and there's only two places where this can really happen, and that's at the lunar poles. Now, we're not talking about ice caps like we have here on Earth or on Mars, we're actually talking about ice deep down within shadowy craters in the polar regions. Basically, some of these craters up towards the north and south pole of the moon are so extreme that they never see sunlight. There are parts of those craters that are in permanent shadow, and so the water ice can exist in a solid form. And this is something that's only been confirmed relatively recently. There's always been theories to postulate that it might exist, but it's only by mapping the minerals on the surface of the moon by satellite that we've actually confirmed that this water ice exists in the polar regions. But there's another way that water actually exists even in the sunlit regions and actually across all of the lunar surface, and that's water molecules, H2O, trapped within other minerals themselves. And this is something that we see on Earth as well. It's trapped within volcanic glasses, and it's trapped within certain minerals that can be hydrated as such. So you have OH hydroxyl molecules or pure H2O water molecules that basically sit within the crystalline structure of other minerals. So this is how water can also exist in the sunlit regions. There's still some debate as to exactly how much water exists on the lunar surface, but we do know now for a fact that it is there.